About this item compatibility list: this cable supports 60W high-speed charging for Type-C smartphone, tablet or laptop for MacBook Pro/iPad Pro 2020/2019/2018/ Samsung Galaxy S20/S20 Ultra/Note 10/Note 10 Plus/Chromebook. Note: charging speeds also depends on your device and charger. Pair your C-port devices with USB-C chargers including and various 96W, 87W, 65W, 61W, 60W, 45W, 30W, 18W USB-C power adapters. Note: before purchase, this is a USB-C to USB-C cable, which means it has the same USB-C plug on both ends. Please be aware that this is not a USB-C to USB-A cable. Besides, you may need a USB-C wall charger to charge your device. Supports power delivery, get up to 60W